In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display. Then scroll down, select Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Now to download Rosemary 1, you can tap on it and hit Install, or click on this icon next to it. When it's ready, go back to the same settings and tap on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!